At the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing, we're bringing manufacturers together to create a stronger, brighter future for our region. We are dedicated to supporting and empowering manufacturers across Southwest Virginia. Our vision is straightforward yet ambitious, to position Southwest Virginia as a global leader in advanced manufacturing. Our mission is to support the sustainment and advancement of manufacturing in Southwest Virginia through regional collaborations, improving the image of manufacturing, and closing the skills gap. The Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing is a membership-driven organization, offering exclusive benefits to our members. These include opportunities to connect with peers, access valuable resources, and strengthen their operations through training, marketing, and workforce development initiatives. Members gain networking opportunities with fellow manufacturers and industry vendors, as well as tools and resources that save time and reduce training expenses. Beyond these benefits, members enjoy peer-to-peer learning, professional development opportunities, and increased visibility for their businesses and job openings. It's all about creating value and driving progress for manufacturers in Southwest Virginia. We're guided by manufacturers, for manufacturers. Become a member today and join the 50 manufacturers across Southwest Virginia who are taking advantage of the many benefits SVAM membership offers.